Welcome to our channel First Gyan. Myself Vijendra Singh. You are watching my channel First Gyan. And kindly subscribe my channel for the benefit of all. And press the bell icon so that you can get a notification of new videos. Dear, today's chapter is public speaking. When the public speaking words comes, we are having something other feeling. How you will face the people? I will be getting successful. How we will say to in front of so many people? This is a very basic question for all. Everybody required a public speaking skills. We should know our topic and what are the goals behind the topic. Now the first, whenever we are giving some addressing or some gathering in office, we should use the proper PPT with the audio, video and templates. Now number 2 point, very effective and useful. Practice your speech. Whenever you are going to meeting, before that 1 hour or previous night, you should practice your speech properly. You should know your content. You should know your goals, examples, PPTs, how it is prepared. You must see it before 1 hour also, all the PPTs. So practice your topic, practice your speech very much. It is required. If you are forgetting your speech, then it will give very bad effect. So you should practice your speech properly. Third and important point is be relaxed. Don't be in tension. You should not tense when you are addressing a gathering of your office or giving presentation to your management. So you should be relaxed as you have a confidence. You have checked all the things. Fourth and foremost point is just don't worry about the mistakes. You just delivering the lecture or speech, you think that some mistake happened. Don't worry, carry on. Nothing will happen. Just go carry on with the confidence. You should have the confidence and don't worry about the mistake. Fifth, most important, maintain your consistency. You are giving a speech. It should be balanced one. It should not be very high. It should not be on very high pitch or very low pitch, or it should not be very fast or very low. So you should have balanced consistency. Sixth and foremost point, dress comfortably. Whenever you are going for some meeting, you should dress properly. Formal should be worn. Formal dress should be worn. And it should not be very casual. You should be in office clothes. Number 7 and very important point. Just avoid the fillers. Filler means very important. Whenever you are forgetting something and just you are seeing here and there, you are speechless sometimes, and you are trying to connect the words, that you should avoid. Use gestures. Gestures means you should stand properly. It should not be very intense atmosphere. Your standing position, your talking position, it should be very nice one. Ninth and last point means allow question and answer both the way. When you are delivering some lectures and it is about to complete or it is completed, so just allow a question answer from the audience. They can ask some question, you can reply them. Allow to participate with the participant, then they will feel connected. If you are not allowing question and answer and just you are delivering and going, that will be a half effect. So you should involve your participants. They should feel part of your team. They should feel part of your speech. So participation, question and answer, this is the very important for public speaking. Then only we can be a little bit good speaker. You have seen the complete video and you are new to my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. And just not to forget, one question for you. What are the more things required for public speaking? You can just write down in my comment column if you want to some improvement in this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.